Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you will be fine. Today we will read chapter 2 Microorganism, Health and Disease and also solve the exercise of this chapter. So let's start microorganisms, health and disease. First concept check at the page number 11. You can see the picture. What do these food items contain? Unscramble letter to find the answers. So EINOPRT is letter, it's written. So that is actually protein, and in second column where there is bread, egg and a bowl of rice is placed. Breads, potatoes and a bowl of rice. This is A B C D E H O R R T Y. So this is carbohydrate. When you will arrange it, that word will become carbohydrate. The next is AIIMNSTV. So this is vitamins. These food contains protein. They build up without making fat. It's talk about fish, meat and eggs. These food contains carbohydrate, fiber, little protein, and they give you energy. So this is actually the discussion about bread, rice and potatoes column, and in the next column where there is fish, milk, apple, cucumbers and capsicum are to be seen. So these are actually the source of vitamin. These food contain vitamins, mineral and fiber. They help to keep you healthy. At the next page number 17, at the top of page 17 there is also a concept check activity. Why should we wash fruit and vegetable before eating them? The answer is we should wash fruits and vegetable before we eat them to remove any dirt, germs or pesticides. Number 2, which creatures carry the germs on their feet and like to land on foot? This is actually flies. The flies actually carry the germ to their feet and like to land on foot. Concept check at the page number 17. At the bottom of page there are also two questions. Question number 1 is, what are the methods used to preserve food? Methods used to preserve food are freezing, sterilizing, adding preservatives or sealing in airtight containers. Milk can be preserved for a while by pasteurization. What should we always do before handling or eating food? We should always wash our hand thoroughly before eating or handling food. The answer is at page number 18. There are some exercises. Exercise at page number 18. You can watch on the screen. This is all. Which of the following are the ways to keep food free from germ? Number 1, freezing. Number B, cooking. C, sterilizing. And D, all of these. So correct answer is all of these. What do flies put on food so they can eat it? Sauce, tears, saliva, water. Saliva is the correct answer. Bacteria are used to prepare A, yogurt, B, bread, C, antibiotic, D, milk. Bacteria is prepared to use yogurt. Yogurt is correct answer. Which type of germ causes pneumonia? The option which are given: virus, bacteria, fungi, protozoa. So bacteria is the correct answer. Bacteria can cause pneumonia. Milk is pasteurized at temperature of 30 degree centigrade, 40 degree centigrade, 60 degree centigrade and 80 degree. So milk is pasteurized at 60 degree centigrade. Fill in the blanks. There are 5 fill in the blanks. Food packed in the factory contain chemical preservatives. Milk can be preserved by the process called pasteurization. Milk can be preserved by the process called pasteurization. Living things which are made of one cell are called unicellular organism. A useful type of bacteria is used in making yogurt. The bacteria is in the blank. A mushroom is an example of edible fungus. Mushroom is an example of edible fungus. So the next one, third part, mark these sentences, tick or cross. Infections cannot be caused by small worms, cross. Germs are killed by pasteurization, tick. All kind of bacteria are harmful, cross. The body gets vitamin D from sunlight, good, tick. It's also correct. At the page number 19, study the table of 7 of the world's deadliest disease. So in your notebook you will have to make the graph to show the number of deaths per disease. How will you organize the material? What you know about these diseases? Do you know which one are preventable by vaccination? Have you had any vaccinations? So you will have to prepare a short slide PowerPoint presentation on this question. All the students must have to search about it and prepare the exercise. So number 5, find the odd one out of give a reason for your selections. So in the first line on your book, page number 19, you can watch vitamin K, vitamin B, vitamin E, vitamin D and vitamin S. So vitamin K, B, E and D are present, but vitamin S is not present, so this is odd. Vitamin S, this is not a vitamin. Virus, fungi, protozoa, protein, bacteria. So virus, fungi, protozoa and bacteria are unicellular organism, are microscopic organism, but protein is an element of food needed by body. So protein is odd in this list, in the second list. In number 3rd, fly, tortoise, mosquito, flea, sandfly. So you can say that tortoise a reptile, not an insect. All the other in the list, including the list, are insect, while tortoise is a reptile. So number 4, the list: diarrhea, tuberculosis, measles, malaria, headache. Diarrhea, tuberculosis, measles and malaria are actually disease, but headache is not an element. It's an element. It's not a disease. So the next one, think about it. You will have to think, is your environment clean? In your notebook, make a list of places around your school or your home. Talk about whether they are clean or dirty. How can they be kept clean? Where do the waste product from your house go? Find out where the rubbish goes and what happens. You all must have to collect different answers for this. Now come to the basic point, which is we are going to solve. Answer the following question at the page number 20 of your science book. Question number 1, how are the germs kept out? Tinned food. Air is removed during canning process. Air and the germs in it is removed during canning process. Okay, जब खाने को टिन पैक में बंद किया जाता है तो वो उसे किस तरह बचाया जाता है? So tin food, how germs kept out of tin food air is removed during the canning process. What is pasteurization? The process of heating milk to 60 degrees centigrade to destroy the germs in it and make it last for longer. Pasteurization is the process in which milk is being heated 60 degrees centigrade to destroy the germs in it and make it last for longer. What are the main kind of microorganisms? The main kind of microorganisms are bacteria, fungi, protozoa and viruses. Number 4. In what ways are disease spread from person to person? Disease are passed from person to person through air, through direct contact of bodily fluid such as blood. The transmission of blood from one body to another, and also the sweat too. Nowadays you are listening that don't shake hand with others because in the hands of an infected person there will be sweat drops of tiny drops of sweat that can that can make you victim of the disease. So in what way are the disease spread from person to person? Disease are passed from person to person through the air or through the direct contact of bodily fluids such as blood, sweat, etc. How can we stop disease from spreading? To control the spread disease, we have to ventilate the house well to allow fresh air to circulate. Okay. Air cloth and bedding in fresh air and sunlight. Keep water and food well covered and clean. Boil milk to kill germs it contains. Keep surrounding clean by using disinfectants. Sneeze into handkerchief, a tissue or crook of your elbow. If you are risk, don't share your personal things. Get ourselves vaccinated. Number 6. Define the following terms. Number 1. Microorganism, the living thing which are too small to be seen with naked eye. They can be only seen through microscope. Number B. Microscopic, so small that it is only visible with the help of microscope. So, number 7. Name any 3 places where you can find bacteria. Student can list any 3 surfaces or places exposed to the air, in water, in soil, in or on our body. Number 8. How are fungi useful for human being? Give 2 examples. Some fungi can be eaten. Fungi help to decompose biodegradable litter and make soil fertile. Fungi in the form of yeast are used in food production and in the production of antibiotics. List 6 ways in which microorganism can enter your body. Number 1. Microorganism can enter our body through cuts, through nose and mouth. When you breathe, eat or drink, they can also enter through direct contact. They can enter through insect bites or borrowing worms. Student may give specific example or list general ways like those given here. As nowadays you people all are watching that the coronavirus is going to infect thousands and millions of the people. So very simple example of that microorganism, corona. is microorganism, and they can enter through nose, mouth. And that can be entered through breathe, eat or drink. That also can enter through direct contact with hand shaking even.